Hello vlog. This week was a little weird with the videos. I feel like there aren't that many videos because, well, especially compared to the week where I time-lapsed everything in my life. This last week, I'm gonna just be straight up honest with you, I felt horrible, and I don't like to talk a lot about my medical stuff or health, but basically on Thursday I got really bad cramps, and you can actually see it in my time lapse. I'm sitting in a chair and I'm kind of curled away from the camera. Well, I got up and I turned off the camera because they got so bad. My cramps every couple months get horrible. Lay in bed, can't move, puking, crying, horrible. And I actually know what helps. So I know what the problem is because my hormones have been tested, and I know what helps, which is running, avoiding sugar, taking some essential oils incredibly regularly, including my Lifelong Vitality, my daily supplements. I'm actually going to do a webinar about the oils I take for hormone support when I am incredibly regular about that self-care. My cycle that month is not bad at all. When I'm not, it is. So I feel like the lesson this week was twofold. One, be more regular about doing the things. That's Raylan. He's upset with the mail. Doing the things that I know make myself feel better. The second big lesson for this week is that I just took Thursday totally off. And Friday, I actually woke up feeling really dizzy and sore. Like, my cramps hurt so bad, my whole body is sore afterwards. So I just didn't work Friday. And then I didn't get online Saturday and Sunday, which is pretty normal that I don't get online Saturday and Sunday. But just taking the time off and deciding, what often happens is I feel so bad around my cycle that then I don't work, but then I feel bad that I didn't work. And then I feel like everything is lost. And then I go into this cycle of it's all lost, what's the point? And it's not kind of until the beginning of the next month, because my cycle's mid-month. It's not for another week or two that I actually get back into my rhythm. And I decided this month to experiment with going all the way off, not reply to anything, not pick up my phone, not feel guilty about it, and just see if it would be all right. Because I know what happens when I beat myself up, and that's that I actually don't get back to work very soon at all. You combine that this month with the added pressure that I'm going to be out of town this coming week. Me and my mom have a trip planned to the beach. You'll see videos of that in next week's vlog. And I just felt like, how could I possibly take time off now? Because I'm going to take time off then. But the fact is I planned for that time off. I did everything I needed to do ahead of time. So I just need to chill, see what happens. And I'm recording this on Monday. Obviously I feel physically a lot better, but I also feel okay. I decided to not just say, what I do a lot is in the moment, I'll say, okay, I'm giving myself permission to take this time off. And then afterwards, I feel bad that I took the time off and actually retroactively take the permission away, and I beat myself up for it. But what I decided is this time I'm going all in, permission all the way, not feeling any amount of bad for it. The work that I didn't get done, the people I didn't reply to, the things I kept waiting, it will be okay. And it will even be okay if I don't get any work done during this trip with my mom. It'll be okay. What's the alternative is just to be mad at myself and to feel worse than not get stuff done because I feel worse. So that's what I'm practicing this week. I hope that is helpful as you think about and navigate your own figuring out how to take care of yourself and be nice to yourself. I gotta go distract my dog from the FedEx guy now. Have a great week.